welcome to my English class. Dear students, how are you? I think you all are well. Dear students, look at the picture. What do you know about them? Why are they well known? Who is the first picture on? I think you have understood that she is Pritilata. What is the house? What do you know the house? Yes, it is Pahartoli European Club. Who is the third one? The third one is Surjo Sen. Dear students, today's topics is they had dreams on. Unit 10, lesson 3. Learning outcomes. After reading this lesson, the students will be able to talk about pictures, listen for specific information, read a text and find out information, write about a person, infer the word meaning from the text. Dear students, now come to know the meaning of the some words. Graduate. What is the meaning of the word graduate? Try to understand the meaning seeing the picture and the below sentence. Mr. Azim graduated from the University of Dhaka. I think you have understood that meaning. Graduate means to achieve a university degree. Thank you, students. Next, activist. What's the meaning of the word activist? Mrs. Sultana Kamal is a human rights activist. I think you can understand the meaning. Activist means a member of a certain social or political group. Discrimination. What is the meaning of the word discrimination? Women should not have any discrimination. They should have equal rights as men have. I think what is the meaning? The meaning is different attitude to people, especially on the grounds of race, age or sex. Combat. Combat means the soldiers are having combat training. Meaning fighting with arms, battle. Notorious. What's the meaning of the word notorious? The police is taking bribe. It is a notorious deed. I think you have understood the meaning notorious. Notorious means dishonorable. Now, dear students, we will read a passage about Pritilata. Pritilata was born in Chittagong on 5 May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School in Chittagong and Eden College, Dhaka. She finally graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pritilata was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland without British colonial rule. So, she received combat training to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pritilata became the head teacher of Nandankanon Aparna Charan School in Chittagong. Gradually, she involved herself in Surjo Sen's armed resistance movement. Surjo Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and activist in Chittagong area that time. In 1932, Surjo Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign, "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Surjo Sen assigned Pritilata to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Pritilata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for the freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream came true. The British rule came to an end though she could not see it during her lifetime. Dear students, now read the questions and try to answer them. What did Pritilata dream of? I think you have understood that Pritilata had two dreams, and in the passage you have got it. Who was the mastermind of attacking of the Pahartoli European Club? I think you have understood who the man was. Why was the sign "Dogs and Indians not allowed" notorious? How did Pritilata prove that women can work like men? In the passage the answer is clear. You will write the answer in your exercise book. Next. Dear students, now you have to fill the blanks with suitable words. There are some words in the box. Now you have to choose which word is appropriate in the gap. In 1932, Surjo Sen dashed to attack the Pahartoli European Club, which had a signboard that read "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Pritilata was dashed to lead the attack. Dressing herself as a Punjabi male, Pritilata with her team dashed the club on September 23 at 10:45 p.m. And trapped by the British police, Pritilata swallowed cyanide and suicide to avoid arrest. Bangladeshi writer Selina Hussain calls Pritilata and for every woman. A trust named Birkunna Pritilata Trust has been in her memory. A dormitory of Jahangirnagar University called Pritilata Hall has been after Pritilata Odedar. Dear students, in the box we can find some words: tell, name, injure, plan, commit, ideal, attack and found. Now we will try to fill the gap. First one is planned. Number B, told. Tell has changed into told. Number C, attacked. Number D, injured. Number E, committed. Number F, ideal. Number G, founded. Number A is named. I think you have write all the answer. You have written all the answer correctly. Dear students, now you have a homework. Mention the name of a woman who is your ideal. Why? Is she your ideal? Write in 10 sentences. Dear students, you will write the sentences in your exercise book and show the exercise book to your class teacher when the school will start. Thank you.